footsteps lost in puddles deep, memories falling like tears I keep. I was just a boy chasing kites in the sky, back when love felt simple and time flew by. But the wind turned cold and the shadows grew, and all I had were the scars I knew.
I gave my years to books and plans, built my world with trembling hands. But dreams can fall like broken stones,
and I was left to fight alone. Whispers in the rain, calling out my name, lost in the silence of endless pain. I've stumbled, I've bled, I've prayed for the dawn, but the night keeps dragging me on and on. No hope, no flame, just memories that stay. I'm still walking through the rain. Behind those walls my heart turned gray, counting seconds that slipped away. The chessboard pieces knew my game, but even victories felt the same. I walked out free, but chained inside, carrying the weight of a name denied. The world moved on, I was left behind, a stranger's face in my own mind. Whispers in the rain, calling out my name, lost in the silence of endless pain. I've stumbled, I've bled, I've prayed for the dawn, but the night keeps dragging me on and on. No hope, no flame, just memories that stay. I'm still walking through the rain. I gave my heart, I gave my pride, but some ghosts refuse to die. Whispers in the rain, shadows in my chest. I keep walking, no peace, no rest. But somehow this heart refuses to break, still fighting for love, still learning to ache. No chains, no flame, just whispers that remain. I'm still breathing through the rain, through the rain.